So this right here, this is the beauty. I'm telling you, this is like the most impressive clippers I have ever seen. What's up YouTube? My name is Lex and my channel is Life with Lex, where I go over business videos, especially with my entrepreneurship journey, as well as my everyday life things that are going on and happening. I want to say thank you so much for any of the subscribers that I have gained. It's like crooked and it's bothering the shit out of me. Much better. What's up guys, my name is Lex and this is my channel Life with Lex, where I go over entrepreneurship videos, I go over DIYs and anything that is going on in my everyday life. I'm super excited to be bringing this to you guys today. I am a rug tufter and I've been tufting rugs for over 2 years now. There's a lot that I've learned throughout the journey. I am more so self-taught, however I'm always down to give tips or anything like that. I do have a Luffy video that is on my channel that's actually gained a lot of traction, a lot more than I expected. I'm super grateful for anybody that has tuned in. I still have been doing commissions here and there, nothing too crazy, just because I'm trying to get back in work-life balance. I am a mom of 2, so just keep that in mind. However, I'm super excited to be making this video. If you are a rug tufter, you're definitely going to want to see this through because it's a new product that's definitely a game changer. If you struggle with trimming, I would definitely check out this product. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing with you guys, and then I want to go over a couple tips and also do like a little snippet of the tutorial on how this new item works. Just a lot of people are purchasing this trimmer. Now this trimmer, don't get me wrong, was great. I purchased it when I was a year in. This was like a $65 trimmer, I believe, off of Amazon. I was really excited about it because I thought it was really going to help me with the lines. Now excuse the dirtiness, however, this thing gave out on me about, I would say, almost a month, not even 2 full months in. And I was a little bit upset about that because I couldn't do the return by then. I reached out to the company but didn't get really much of a response. It did come with replaceable magnetic caps, which I did oil these. I used sewing oil, or the sewing machine oil. I tried to keep it as clean as I could as possible. I was really upset for $65, almost $70 for a month of tufting. It wasn't really that great to me. So I got rid of that. Again, I did keep it because I knew I was gonna need it for a video. So what I did was I went back to my frugal ways, and I actually been using this quick cut clippers. This is by Wall. Now these are hair clippers, so don't judge me. I've been making it do what it do. So I have been using these probably about 1.5 years now, but that's not the good part. So I have this new item that I have not seen any other tufter use yet, and I'm really excited to show you guys. Okay, I'm having trouble trying to find the angle, but we're gonna make it do what it do. I'm new to this, not true to this. Well, I'm not really new to this, but anyways, so I was able to get this product off of Amazon. I am gonna have a code link down below for you guys so you can save a little bit of money. But again, I do feel like a lot of people are having so many issues with these. You're gonna love this. So of course I'm opening the carrying case. It comes with the safeguard. If you guys know, this is gonna be able to help you level your rugs evenly and keep that weight or that height distributed all across your rug, which is a game changer. So this is gonna help you get any of the loose yarn strands. It's pretty cool, I love it. This is the one that I've been using. I can't even remember where I got this from, but this one's been a really good one too. But it's nice that this also comes with one of these. Let's see what else. So you do have your rechargeable carpet trimmer manual. So it's going to have a user manual for you guys. That way if you have any questions, it's at least going to come with some information. So this right here, this is the beauty. I'm telling you, this is like the most impressive clippers I have ever seen. And it's available on Amazon. So you guys can get it in like a couple days with Prime. Don't worry. So I did already get a little sneak peek, but it does come with some hardware tools for you. So it really is it's a game changer. You also have a brush cleaner, so that way you can get out any of those little fibers that are in your clippers, unlike the other ones. We have some guards that it does come with as well if you prefer to use those. You have an extra attachment head, and it does come with one on the clippers. I will show in just a moment. So you have already an extra head attachment. This also goes with the easy clip. So I believe this is just for the guard. I've never used one of these personally, but I am really excited because I think this will be definitely a game changer for my rugs. And of course, it comes with your charger. Again, charger, not cord, your charger. So you guys should already know what I'm hitting at. Piece of your trimmers, like I said, it does already come with one head on it. And this right here, this is the money shot. This is the money man, okay? This is your battery. And I'm not gonna lie, this thing has some weight to it alone, but I think it looks so beautiful. Like, look at it in all its glory. It looks so good. So I gotta twist it all the way on. I just wanna show you guys really quick what it looks like. Nice. Okay, and then listen to this. Okay, that's got some force behind it, and I haven't even charged it. This is how it came. Want to make sure you're maintaining your clippers. Like, again, I use sewing machine oil. It's lightweight and I feel like it works fine with the clippers. I don't think that's what went wrong with these. However, we're gonna see. So for one, I didn't even know this product existed, and to be able to find it and give a real upfront honest review for you guys, I'm super excited because I don't have to worry about another cord in my way. So I'm going to use all the items that came with the kit to really give it an honest review. I'm going to get my test rug on the table. I'm going to use all the products that came with the kit. So I'm going to use this as well as the guard that comes with the clippers to really see if it's going to level one, how crisp my lines are going to come out too, and if it's actually going to pull out any threads with this. I do believe so because it looks very similar to what I use already, but we're just going to test it out. Now with my test rug, I have not applied backing to it. This is completely just a test rug that I did and made so that way I could see. I do have it glued, however, I'm not going to apply any backing or anything, so if it does look a little janky, don't judge me. It's literally a test rug, okay? I'm gonna need it. They say I need it. This Draco undefeated. Now, this is my test rug. Again, I did not put any type of effort. Well, I put a little bit of effort into it. I ain't gonna sit here in front like I didn't, but I just wanted a real test rug. Now, I have two of them because I have a rug that I had a really bad customer. I just had a bad customer experience and I had to remake the rug, so I remade it. But let me lay this bad boy flat. And don't worry, I'm gonna switch the angle so y'all can see. Don't worry, don't worry. Okay, now this is just a test rug. Don't worry, I had extra yarn, wanted to do it, so I did it. Now, as you can see, my lines is a little wiggly. They're not all there. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you guys how the lineup works. Oh, wow. Oh my God, these cut probably a little too good now. Woo. Holy cow. So I'm gonna use this, what it came with, to clear out some of that. Holy crap, y'all. Look, oh my gosh. Oh, and of course y'all can't even see it. It's okay, I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna trim this whole rug because I feel like it. These things cut like butter though. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh my God. Y'all, look at that line already. Sheesh. Well, I can't wait to see the leveler in action. Oh my God, these are crazy. Now I will say these kind of catch a little bit more than what mine do. So I'm gonna try to rake and clean. Oh my God, y'all. So far though, I am really freaking, first of all, look at this line. Look at the line. I know it looks a little wonky, but oh my gosh, this looks clean. This looks freaking amazing. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna lie, you gotta be really slow with these at first, because you could tell I've used these raggedy clippers for a long time, and usually you gotta dig with those. These, man, they cut like butter, and it's good, but it's scary at first. Tips: if you've ever cut hair, you're always going to want to cut the way it lays. So that's kind of like the theory I do with the rugs. Like, you see how like this is kind of like going this way, like I'm going to cut the brown, which I'm going to start up here. Now this is my first time ever using a guard, so this is definitely going to be like a tester. All right, so that's just with the NBA gun. Now, do I think you're only supposed to go one direction? No. So I'm going to swipe this in multiple directions. Yo, I didn't even have it all the way down. I'm weak. Yo, I didn't even have it all the way down. I'm weak. Okay, so I've kind of finished. You want some super strong clippers? Absolutely. Let's just clean this bad boy up. I mean, can you guys see the freaking line work? Oh my God. Like, I'm just super, like, holy crap. So this is the legendary rug that I made, the commission that I made for a guy who wanted his logo done, but then didn't like the way it was facing, because I only reversed images that have certain faces on them or words. So I didn't think to reverse this one. That was my fault, but I remade it, and then he ended up shorting me in the end, but that's okay. I want to just try the leveler on it. Again, I just want to show you guys how easy it is. So you're going to clip it in. Make sure you push it all the way through. So you're going to want the blades to peek out a little bit underneath the bottom. I didn't know that at first. But definitely learned it. I'm just going to glaze over the top. I might trim it up a little bit, but I'm not going to go too crazy, because who's going to be working for free? All right, guys, so after reviewing this product, I'm honestly going to give it like a 9.5 out of 10. The only reason I'm only deducting anything is literally because this could have been a little bit better. I feel like this worked efficiently. However, I do prefer mine better. And I really don't know why. I just feel like mine pulls a little bit deeper, if you've seen in the video. So that's just me personally. Again, this thing is a game changer. I've been trimming rugs for a very long time. This is the fastest I've ever trimmed through a rug. And the leveler is a game changer. It's easy to assemble. Everything's there for you. It even comes with the manual. And I really don't have any complaints about the trimmer. It's nice. It's a good weight. It's not too light, but it's not too heavy either. It's a lot better than the sheep shears. Trust me. Don't even think about buying those, because I see so many bad reviews with those. But anyways, I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Again, my name is Lex, and I will see you guys next time. I appreciate all the love, and have a